So, hey everybody, I wanted to share a very humbling experience I had the other day. I'm so blessed. I get to work with a beautiful group of women. We come together, we work on principles together of relationships, and so we learn from each other, going over some different things. And seriously, the other day, you can't make this stuff up. We were working and we're talking, and one of the women was talking about how her guy got home and there were some plans. They had a plan, and he was not moving to her expectations. So instead of saying anything, she kind of got upset, got up, went into her room. Well, when he came into the room to apologize and, get to work on what he needed to get to work on, she still kind of gave him the cold shoulder. Yes, we're guilty of that. We do it. We know, men. We know we're guilty. So she punished him. Well, then he, made dinner, brought it to her. And of course, like some of us do, she was like, thanks. And so I pointed out, I said, oh, you punished him for doing the right thing. And then, of course, we all laughed and we all admitted how we were guilty of it and how it's probably not the best trait we have. Can't make this up. So later on, I had other clients coming in, and I have a male client that came in and he said I could share this. And we were going over what his beliefs are and what his new beliefs are and the values that he wants in a new woman. And it was so funny as we were going through it. He's like, yes, and she won't punish me. I was like, oh gosh, we're so guilty of that. We do it. It's a real thing. So we're talking about it. I shared the story of the other experience. We laughed, and then here's where the humility comes in. I had asked my love, my hero, my guy. I said, would you please get this done for us? I want it done by is what would make me happy and feel comfortable. So he came home that night and he was all proud and he's like, I got it all done. I did it. And I'm like, oh, you're amazing. So later that night we're talking and I said, great, now we can do this. And he says, no, we have to wait. And I got mad. I was like, what? And I got frustrated and I was just like, ah. And he turned to me and he said, it's just never good enough, is it? I was like, no, I didn't. I'm like, you're right. You did exactly what I asked of you. You provided that for me. And then here I am, because the circumstances out of our control, not giving you all the kudos for being amazing and getting frustrated at you for something you have no control over. So yeah, very humbling, very, very humbling. If you punish your guy for doing the things you ask or want him to, don't be surprised that he doesn't do them anymore.